this game have been licensed and authorized by the International Ice Hockey Federation. Our referee, Oskar. Our linesman, Oliver Gunnars and Herman Johansson.
Hello. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to game number 8 of this World Championship Group 2B. It's a game between Iceland and Mexico. Iceland playing in blue jerseys, Mexico playing in white. We have goalie number 20 for Iceland, Jakob Johannesson in the net. Goalie number 1 for Mexico, Richard Albrecht. It's an interesting game. Mexico playing game number 2 and Iceland game number 3, and Iceland as well playing game number 3. It's a very important game for Mexico. They are going to need a win here to stay in the group. If they lose this game, they are out of this group. Since they lost against Bulgaria, the Bulgaria will have the internal scrimmage against Mexico. If Iceland loses this game, they can still win the tournament, but a win will always make it more beautiful and easier. However, Iceland's game against Belgium tomorrow will be the deciding game. Game has started. Iceland has had the first shot on the net, and Iceland keeps possession of the puck. Second shot, Heiðar Kristviðarsson, saved by the goalie Richard Albrecht, and we have another face-off in the Mexico defensive zone. Robbie Sigurðsson wins the face-off. Iceland keeps the puck. Here comes Mexico. 2 against 1. And that's saved by Jakob. Good save. Axel. Over to Bjössi. That's blocked. Nice block by the Mexican defenseman, number 11. Little lack of communication between the goalie and the defenseman there. Iceland breaks out. Gunnar puts it deep. Jói wins it in the corner. Iceland keeps the puck. Shot, that's blocked. Nice pressure from the Icelandic team. Mexico comes out with the puck. Iceland has it again. And first goal of the game. Axel Oregon. The assist from number 10, number 7, Björn Robert Sigurðsson, and Robbie Sigurðsson goes high blocker, beats the goalie Richard Albrecht. 1-0 for Iceland. Here comes Iceland again. Atli Sveinsson, saved by the goalie.
Scored by player number 21, Axel Ortega.
Good pressure from Mexico.
With assist from number 10, Björn Sigurðsson.
Mexico keeps it in. Iceland has the puck. Good pass from Atli. Iceland puts it deep. Here we have Viggo Hlynsson, number 12, making his men's World Championship debut. His first game, coming in strong. Viggo just came home from a Junior 18 tournament. Was very successful with the under 18 national team. Finishing 3rd place in Turkey. It's a very promising player, Viggo Hlynsson, playing in Sweden. Here comes the Icelandic line from up in the north, from Akureyri. All players on this line born and raised in Akureyri. One 1-0 for Iceland. The game goes on. Couple of good moves from Kári Arnarsson. Makes his way into the slot, but doesn't get the shot through. Good save. And the goalie keeps the puck. Mexico wins the face-off. Iceland gets the puck. Nice work by Viggo. It's a good deflection. Shot from the blue line. Deflected in the slot. But Richard Albrecht is well awake. Saves that shot. Hafþór Sigurðarson over to Andri. And here comes Mexico. Shot that's saved by Jakob. Iceland wins the puck. 3 against 2. That pass misses. 2 against 2. Pass, and Iceland is in for a change, so nobody to receive that pass. Iceland puts it deep. Goalie freezes the puck. That's outside. Iceland clears the zone. It's a good hit from player number 3 from Mexico. Player number 7 over to 15. And Mexico keeps the puck. Hard hit from number 21 from Iceland. Mexico still has possession of the puck. That's a good chance for Mexico, blocked by the defenseman. Mexico still has it. Saved by Jakob. And Mexico has it again. Jakob gives it to Bjarki. Iceland changing. And puck goes out of play. Viggo Hlynsson is coming in here strong. Good shot from Þorgils Eggertsson. Oh, nice try. Hits the top of the stick of the Mexican goalie, Richard Albrecht. Puck goes out of play. Oh, sorry. Some nice pressure by Andre. Here comes Mexico. Nice hit. It's a hit from number 23. Iceland wants a penalty. Referee says no. Iceland breaks out. Mexico has a chance. Good save by Jakob. Mexico is changing here. Mexican goalie freezes the puck. He is supposed to play that puck. The rules say that if the goalie can keep the puck in play, he should. And the referee is talking to the goalie right now, telling him that. So he's getting a warning there. Shot blocked by Icelandic player, and the goalie freezes the puck. Mexico puts it deep. Iceland is changing. Iceland breaks out. Mexico clears the puck out of the zone, puts it deep. Hafþór Sigurðarson. Iceland comes the play down. That's an offside. Absolutely right call. Good pressure by player number 7 from Mexico, Hector Mayul. Iceland puts it deep. Mexico clears it. Icelandic defenseman Markus Ólafsson puts it deep. It's a bad giveaway from Halldór Skúlason. Halldór Skúlason has been really good this tournament. Mexico has the puck. Oh, that's a boarding penalty. Halldór Skúlason is getting a penalty there. Halldór Skúlason, 2 minutes penalty for boarding. I think was not intentional, but that's the way it is. Boarding it is though. And Mexico has a power play. It's a chance for Mexico to get the equalizer. Mexico is able to set it up. That's deflected off the defenseman, I think, goes over the net. Referee throws the play out of the Icelandic defensive zone. Some men in the crease, they say. So Mexico has to set it up again. Mexico wins the face-off. Mexico loses the puck. Atli Sveinsson clears it. But Mexico comes again. And again, Atli Sveinsson clears it. Unnar Rúnarsson is pressuring, goes in for change. Mexico breaks out. And in they go. Mexico is setting up again. .50 seconds remaining of this power play. 1 minute and 20 seconds of the period. Shot blocked by the defenseman. That's a good save by Jakob. Player number 7, the Mexican assistant captain, Hector Mayul, gets a lot of time, walks through the slot, but Jakob Jóhannesson, the Icelandic goalie, follows him all the way through and makes a good save. Mexico is getting a penalty here. Player number 17, Enrique Samperio, getting a 2-minute penalty. Ooh, that's a great save. Saved by Richard Albrecht. And here's another goal. Sölvi Freyr Atlason. Think with assist from Kári. No. Assist from number 10, Björn Robert Sigurðarson. And yes, Kári Arnarsson as well. But the penalty was player number 1, Richard Albrecht, for delaying the game. Was served by player number 17. 2-0 for Iceland. And first period is out. Yes, 2-0 for Iceland after the first period. Good effort from both teams. Iceland, obviously the stronger team here. They've been on offense for the majority of the game. Mexico, though, has had a couple of good shifts and it's a well-deserved 2-0 lead for Iceland. We'll be back for second period in 15 minutes. Hello, hello. Welcome back. Second period starting. 2-0. Iceland 2. Mexico 0. Second period is on. Mexico wins the face-off. Mexico puts it deep. Iceland wins the puck. Halldór Skúlason. And here comes Mexico. Player number 7. Shoots through the defenseman. Good pressure from the Icelandic team. Mexico keeps the puck though. Puts it deep. Mexico gets it out of the zone. Iceland attacking. Mexico clears it. Axel going coast to coast. Oh, it's a good good try from Axel. Shot to the post. And Iceland wins the puck again. Couple of good tries from Iceland. But puck does not go in. Here comes Unnar. Viggo. Saved by Richard Albrecht. You have a face-off in the Mexican defensive zone. Iceland wins the face-off. Shot from Gunnar Arason. Iceland keeps the puck. Another shot from Gunnar Arason. Viggo up to Gunnar. Gunnar loses it out. Gunnar puts it deep. Andre wins it. It's a good shot from Þorkell Sækjardsson. Through a little bit screen, but Richard Albrecht, Mexican goalie, is well awake. Puts it in the pocket. Another face-off in the Mexican defensive zone. Iceland wins the face-off. It's a tricky shot to the boards. And here's the third goal. Shot from Robert, number 9. I think it's deflected by player number 15, Hafþór Sigurðarson. See it in the replay. Yes.
scored by player number 15.
Iceland getting a penalty.
An assist from number 9, Robert Olsson.
Yes, goal for Iceland, scored by player number 15, Hafþór Sigurðarson, with assist from player number 9, Robert Paulsson. And Iceland is getting a penalty, 2-minute penalty for holding Bjarki Reyr Jóhannesson. And Team Mexico has a power play. Mexico sets it up. Good shot. Rebound that Mexico is not able to pick up. Mexico keeps the puck. It's a tight box from the Icelandic team. Mexican team has a lot of space around the box. It's a good save from Jakob Jóhannesson. It's a cross pass and a quick shot. Power play goes on. Iceland clears it. Mexico breaks out. Atli Sveinsson, Markus Ólafsson clears the puck. That's a good save from Jakob Jóhannesson. Mexican team picks it up in the slot. Gets a shot on the goal. And Iceland clears the puck. Five seconds remaining of this power play. 5-on-5. Iceland puts it deep. Oh, and that goes under the goalie. Good shot through the screen. Goalie sees it late. Face off in the Mexican defensive zone. Iceland wins the face off. Shot over the net. Oh, and that's deflected by the Mexican defenseman. Mexico has the puck. And that's a hit. Mexico puts it deep. Iceland has the puck. It's a giveaway from the Iceland. Mexico battling for the puck in the Icelandic corner. It's a good effort from the Mexican team. Iceland puts it deep, goes in for a change. It's a nice play from the Icelandic team. Mexico clears it, and here comes player number 18. Jorge Perez. No touch there, that's icing. Little statistics from the first period. First period, Iceland had 16 shots. Mexico had 14. 14 saves on both sides. And 2 penalty minutes for both teams. A little surprised to see that Mexico had 14 shots. Here's a good try for Iceland. It's a good pass, but we have a fight here. Player number 5 from Iceland not happy with the Mexican player shooting at the goalie after the whistle. An offside was called. No penalty called. Icing. We have a pretty packed crowd here in the Icelandic arena. Probably somewhere between 250 and 300 people, I would guess. A lot of blue and white jerseys. And we have a penalty. Mexican player number 5 getting a 2-minute penalty for tripping. Power play for Iceland. That's a good play by number 7 from Mexico, Hector Mayul. And we have a goal. Johan Leifsson, number 23, from Iceland. It's a coast to coast from Johan. Starts from the Icelandic slot. Goes all the way in by himself. And puts it left corner behind the goalie.
Goal for Team Iceland was scored by player number 23, Johan Leifsson. With assist from number 5, Gunnar Arason. And number 19, Andri Mikaelsson.
Yes, Gunnar Arason and Andri Mikaelsson both get an assist on that goal. It's the easiest assist they have made. Johan doing all the work there. Assist it is though. And we have another penalty. Icelandic goalie Jakob coming out of the net. Iceland has 6 offending players on the ice. Iceland sets it up. Saved by the Mexican goalie. Player number 3 from Mexico, Tyler Chavez, getting 2-minute penalty for cross-checking. Iceland playing 5 against 4.
Penalty Team Mexico. Player number 3, Tyler Chavez, has a 2-minute penalty for checking for cross-check.
Gunnar to Johan, to Gunnar, to Hafi, shot, saved. Mexico clears it. Jói calms the play down. Kári Arnarsson picks up the puck. He's gonna carry it all the way down. And Iceland sets up the play. Axel to Bjössi, to Robbie, Bjössi, Kári, sneaky shot there. Axel has the puck. And Robbie, Axel, good shot, nice block from the Mexican defenseman. Mexico has killed this penalty. Iceland still has the puck. Mexico clears it out. Iceland Comes again. Out. Mexico puts it deep. Offside. Mexico has to clear the zone. Heiðar Gauti. Unnar. That's a good shot from Atli Sveinsson. Good one-timer, but it's blocked by the Mexican. It's a good block. Oh, and Icelandic defenseman gets a stick in the face. Atli Sveinsson, he dived for the puck, got a stick in the face. He's up. They're gonna have to clean up the ice. Some blood on the ice. Gonna have a little delay here. And the game continues. No penalty called, 5-on-5. Mexico wins the face-off. Iceland wins the puck. That shot is blocked. Good defense by the Mexican team. Here comes Kári Árnason. Sets it up. Heiðar Kristiðarsson, good shot. There's nobody in front there. Easy save for the goalie. That's a good try. And a nice save. Mexico has the puck. Good pressure by the Icelandic team. Mexico has the puck. Iceland wins the puck. And here comes Iceland again. That's a good pass. Puck goes wide. Game's getting heated here. Player number 9 from Iceland gets a shoulder to the face. He's not happy. No penalty called. Some misunderstanding here with the Icelandic team. Don't really know which players are going on, which players are coming off. At the same time, they're fixing the net. Atli, Puerto Rico, Heiðar Gauti, Mexico wins the puck. Iceland has it again, and that's... I thought this was an offside, but referee says no. Icing. Three minutes left of second period. Iceland wins the face-off. Mexico clears the puck. And here comes player number 6, and that's a boarding penalty. Good save by Jakob. And player number 23 from Iceland, Jóhann Már Leifsson, is getting a 2-minute penalty for boarding. Power play for Team Mexico. 2 minutes, 19 seconds left of this period. 2 minutes power play for Team Mexico. Mexico wins the face-off. Good pressure from the Icelandic team. And Mexico has a good possession. Good save by Jakob. Jakob saves it, freezes the puck. Mexico still has the puck. Good save by Jakob. Again, tight box from the Icelandic team. Mexico has plenty of space to play around it. And here comes a good try from Mexico, but it's blocked. Mexico still has the puck. 50 seconds remaining of the power play. Shot goes wide.
1 minute remaining of the second period.
It's a nice drive by Mexico. And no penalty called there. That could have been a tripping. And here's a goal from number 7. Gets a lot of time in the slot. Good finish. Way too much time he has there in the slot. We can see it here on the replay. He got plenty of time there. 20 seconds remaining of the period. 4-1. It's not over yet. Iceland puts it deep. (4-1). The 2 periods. It's good effort from both teams in this period. We'll be back in 15 minutes. Welcome back to the third period. 4-1 is the score. Mexico has the puck. Intercepted. No, Mexico wins it again. Good pressure from Mexico. And Mexico gets a chance there. Mexico not ready to give up so easy. Iceland has possession of the puck. Iceland calms it down. And here's a penalty. 2-minute penalty for player number 17 from Iceland, Bjarki Reyr Jóhannesson. He's getting a 2-minute penalty for tripping. And here's a good chance for Team Mexico to get back in this game. Mexico wins the faceoff. Hand pass for Team Mexico. We go out of the Icelandic defensive zone. We are through with 2 periods. Iceland has 36 shots against 25 from Team Mexico. 24 saves for Team Iceland, 32 saves for Team Mexico. Both teams had 6 minutes before the third period. Iceland has 8 minutes now. Mexico has 6 penalty minutes. In comes Mexico, and Mexico is able to set it up. And oh, player number 23 would have been all alone if he would have received that pad. Mexico clears the zone. Good shot, good save by Jakob. Six seconds remaining of this power play. Good play by Markus. Over to Heiðar. Heiðar puts it deep. And here comes Mexico again. 2 against 1. Mexico wins it again. But here comes Robbie Sigurðsson. No, goes out of the zone. Gunnar Arason puts it deep. Robbie Sigurðsson puts it deep, and Axel is there to pick it up. No, he loses it. Gets another try. And no penalty, the referee says. No icing. Mexico is first on that puck. Puck goes out of the zone. They put it back in. Halldór Skúlason calms the play down. Iceland breaks out. Atli Sveinsson over to Kári. Kári to Heiðar. And nice dig there from Heiðar, and it's a 5-hole goal. That looked so simple. It's a pass from Heiðar Sveinsson. No. Atli Sveinsson to Kári. Kári to Heiðar Kristojarsson, and Heiðar Kristojarsson puts it 5-hole. And 5-1 is the score.
Goal for Finland was scored by player number 16, Heiðar Kristojarsson. With assist from number 9, Robert Paulsson.
Player number 18 from Mexico getting a 2-minute penalty for hooking. Power play for the Icelandic team. Iceland setting up for power play line number 1. Iceland keeps it in, but Mexico gets the puck and clears it. Iceland will break out again. Here comes Johan, over to Andre. Andre up to Gunnar. Good shot from Gunnar. Unnar gets the puck. Jói calms the play down. Gunnar to Unnar, no to Jói. And Jói over to Unnar. And he puts it down in the left corner. Good deflection. And 6-1 is the score. Nice play by the Akureyri line. It's goal from Unnar Rúnarsson after assist from Jóhann Már Leifsson and Andri Már Mikaelsson.
Goal for Team Iceland was scored by player number 23, Jóhann Leifsson. With assist from number 5, Gunnar Arason. And number 18, Gunnar Rúnarsson.
Referee mixing up the scorer and the assist. It's not correctly written in the report. The goal was definitely scored by Unnar Rúnarsson with assist from Jóhann Már Leifsson and Andri Már Mikaelsson. 6-1 is the score. Iceland getting pretty comfortable with the 3 points from this game. Here comes Atli Sveinsson. And that's intercepted by Axel Organ. Saved by the goalie. It's a good try by Axel. Sneaky shot there. Referee telling the Mexicans to be quicker in the change. Here comes Robbie Sigurdsson. Axel with him. Bjössi. No. Blocked by the defenseman. Goes over the glass. Good try. It's face off inside the Mexican defensive zone. That's a lucky bounce. Viggo gets there. Gets the shot on the net, but it's saved by the goalie. Robert with the puck. Iceland puts it deep. Viggo. Over to Hafþór. Hafþór keeps it in the corner. No support there. Mexico clears the zone. They put it deep. Mexico is changing. That's a good pass from Atli Sveinsson. Haffi. Atli Sveinsson picks it up in the slot. Jóhann Már Leifsson picks it up again in the slot. Andre in the corner. Jóhann. Halldór keeps it in. Mexico clears the zone. Mexico puts it deep. It's a touch, no icing. Sölvi to Heiðar. Heiðar. Oh. Sölvi. goes out of the zone. Robby to Heiðar. Iceland keeps it in. It's a nice play. That's an interference, I think. Referee says no. Two players checking the same player at the same time. Mexico keeps it inside. Here comes Bjarki Reyr Jóhannesson. Nice pass to Axel. Bjarki has it again. Puts it deep in the corner. Axel down to Robby. Bjössi pressures. Mexico has the puck. Iceland wins it back. Here comes Bjössi. Nice try. Mexico, plenty of time. Oh. Mexico gets to try again. No. Here's Viggo to Unnar. It's a good hit. And it's Unnar, plenty of time. Good save by the goalie, Richard Albrecht. And here comes Mexico. Halldór puts it deep. Johan pressuring. Haffi. Yeah. Good save. Nobody in front there, no traffic in front. Goalie sees it all the time. Gets it right in the stomach. We have a face-off in the Mexican defensive zone. It's a good try from Johan. Mexico puts it deep. Mexico has the puck. Good hit from Mexico. And here comes Sölvi. And no tripping called there. Mexico clears the zone. Marcus to Atli. Atli to Kári. Kári got plenty of time. Marcus, yes. It's a good shot. Saved by the goalie. Robby. Axel. Mexico clears the zone. And here comes Mexico. Mexico keeps it inside. Oh! Jakob lucky there. Didn't see the puck. Saved it. puck was leaking behind him. He caught it up. Face off in the Icelandic defensive zone. Mexico wins the face off. Shot. Blocked by the Icelandic defense. Here comes Þorgils. Oh. Heiðar up to Gunnar. Icing.
Let's make some noise.
Mexico has possession of the puck. Nice try by number 18. Saved by Jakob. Jakob Jóhannesson, the Icelandic goalie, posting a solid performance here. 25 shots saved in the first two periods. Iceland wins the puck. And what a nice play there by the trio. Johan, Hafi, and Andri. Andri Már Mikaelsson scores a nice goal there, low blocker. After assist by number 23 and number 15. Johan wins the puck there. Passes to Hafi. Hafi passes to Andri. And Andri puts it low blocker. 7-1. Iceland puts it deep.
Goal for Team Iceland was scored by player number 19, Andri Mikaelsson. With assist from number 15, Atto Sigurðarson. And number 23, Johan Nisson.
Axel to Robbie, Robbie to Björnsip. Good save by Richard Albrecht. Look at Gunnar here. Gunnar is a very offensive defenseman. Here comes Halldór. Also pretty offensive defenseman. Really strong defenseman. Nice try. Good pass from Heiðar. Sölvi misses the net. Again, nice pass, nice shot to the net from Heiðar. Sölvi misses the net. And we have an interference penalty. Team Mexico, player number 22, going to the box. 39 seconds left of this third period. And Iceland will be having a power play for the rest of this period, most likely. Iceland wins the face-off. Robbie down to Kári, up to Robbie. Sölvi, Kári, up to Bjössi. Bjössi to Robbie. Axel. 14 seconds. Bjössi, down to Kári. Kári, Axel. Yeah, it's a save. And the game is out. 7-1 final score. 3 points for Iceland. Iceland posting 9 points after 3 games. Mexico 0 points after 3 games. Team Mexico will be playing Division 3 next year. Iceland still has to beat Belgium tomorrow, or at least not lose big if they want to stay in, or if they want to go to Division 2A. Best player of the game by Team Mexico. Player number 11, Gonzalo Hagerman.
And best player of Team Iceland, player number 6, Sölvi Atlason.
Best player of the Icelandic team, player number 6, Sölvi Freyr Atlason.
Make some noise for our team! Ladies and gentlemen, please rise for the national anthem of Iceland.
Here comes the national anthem of Iceland.
That concludes all the games here tonight. We'll be back tomorrow night with 2 more games, 2 final games. Thanks for joining us here tonight. Make some noise for your teams.
Yes, tomorrow we'll have 2 more games. Georgia playing against Mexico. Very important game for Team Georgia. Not so important game for Team Mexico. They'll be playing in Group 3A next year. After that, we'll have Belgium, Iceland. If Iceland wins, Iceland will be playing Group 2A next season. If Belgium wins with more than 2, I think, they will be playing Group 2A. But if Belgium wins, Iceland, Belgium and Georgia, if we go by that Georgia will win Mexico tomorrow, then Iceland, Belgium and Georgia will all have 9 points, and the individual, the score in the internal scrimmage between Iceland, Belgium, Belgium, Georgia and Georgia, Iceland will be counting, and the team that will have the best internal score within that scrimmages will be going to Group 2A. So, very important games tomorrow. We'll be back tomorrow. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.